and 2 months ago, and because of your uh, friendly nature and your good behavior towards students, I feel very comfortable. And so at that time I was very low in confidence to speak in English, but right now I am feeling the improvement, and you guys have boosted my confidence to speak English very fluently, and to structurize my sentence, and you guys were always there to help me, and to solve my doubts. And then I made some new friends with my new peers, and then I talk with them, and yeah, I can feel the improvement, that I can now talk with strangers very easily. So yeah, these are the pros.